So now here, I go to my library, go to the store page, and you see that there is this add-on. 20 new environments, and it's free. So once you add this and check out, you will be able to download this and upgrade. So let's see what we have. I'm going back to my library. You see, it's updating. Let's take a look at the downloads. 10 gigabyte. And yeah, so this is how we're going to do the add-ons, which is quite great. And what we kind of want to do is basically make them in packs. So instead of like having to buy individual assets or this and that, you know, we're going to do like a big chunky pack around a theme, and you'll be able to kind of play with that. So again, here this is a mix of, you know, some character stuff, some animations, some backgrounds, everything kind of nicely prepped. So you can start with that straight away. I don't have the fastest internet here, unfortunately. So as you see, this takes a little bit of a download, 10 gigabytes. So I'm gonna pause it for now, and we'll come back to this in a bit. Okay, I see that my add-on is in the library and is installed. So I'm going to run it and see what extra we got. And there you go. I see a lot of new environments, which is great. Let's take a look at some of these. So yeah, that's it. A lot of new stuff here. So have fun.